You probably have heard a lot about cloud computing, and you may wonder what it really is. Cloud computing is basically using some sort of web server to host either applications, storage, or both that you can then access from your computer plus any of your other devices like tablets or phones. We're going to look at two of the cloud-based storage systems that also have some various online apps that they support. In this first video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Google Drive account. You'll notice that I have more than one Google email address and more than one Google account. I do that because I have one that is for my personal use, and I have one that went for when I'm doing my videos, because each Google account is associated with a YouTube account. I have chosen to make a separate email address for all of my YouTube videos, and this is the one that I use for that. I don't really use it for storage, so you'll see that it's pretty empty. I do occasionally put things up here that I've recently deleted, but it has some really cool features. There's a whole suite of simple office applications that you can create with Google Drives. You can add folders to organize your work, and you can share things with other people. It has the ability to create documents which are similar to Word documents, and you can actually save them in a Word document format. So if I were to create a new document, this is my document, I could then save and download it as a Microsoft Word format or a PDF format. These are two of the formats that you're most likely to be asked to hand things in for school classes. So it would be very easy for me to save it as a Microsoft Word document or open it with Microsoft Word. There are several other options of things that you can create. You can create a presentation, which is similar to PowerPoint, a spreadsheet, which is similar to Excel. You can create a form, or you can create a drawing, and there are more apps available. I anticipate that you're going to see the offerings here expand as time goes on. These are great resources that help you avoid having to pay for software. The advantage is that they're free and you can access them from pretty much any device, Android or iOS. The disadvantage to using something like this is just that you have limited capabilities compared to the full version of Word. But for the most part, average people don't use every functionality in Word. And if you're just communicating with friends and family, this sort of document is probably going to be just fine. It's a great way to take notes if you're in class on a laptop, and it makes things available just about anywhere. So this is an example, Google Drive, of cloud-based storage with cloud-based apps. In my next video, I'm going to go through Microsoft OneDrive, which is a competing product.